Roy Conway LeCraw was Atlanta's 50th mayor, a distinction he earned by defeating William B. Hartsfield. It was 1940. Hartsfield had served only one term, and in his first re-election attempt, it was LeCraw who came out on top by 83 votes. A devastating loss for Hartsfield, but one that was short-lived. War was in the air, and 5 months after Pearl Harbor, Mayor LeCraw, a major in the Georgia National Guard, resigned to go on active duty in the Army. A special election was held, and William B. Hartsfield handily won that election to once again become Atlanta's mayor, a position he would hold for the next 20 years. This is Lance Russell, and that is one of the stories of Atlanta.